Okay, hello everyone. Now the video is about how to install operating system on your workstation player. So here is the one. We need two things for that. We need workstation player and an image file. So here is the workstation player. Just create new, press on this, and you have the three options to choose for it. We're gonna select the installer this image file, ISO image, browse for it. And there we go. Here is our CentOS Linux operating system, and press next for now, and just create the name. So mine is player 1. This is my first, so I'm create as a player 1. Okay, 20 GB is minimum recommended for CentOS Windows 7. Here you see this option, split virtual disk into multiple files. This is the best option when you're creating, because it helps us when we are doing backup or moving virtual machines to other computers to reduce at a very large disk. It's to improve the speed. Just press next. On the screen we need to do some customized setting, then go for the customized hardware. Here we need to first, main thing is like RAM. So in my computer I have like 8 GB RAM, so now I'm gonna give just 2 GB for this. And we need to select the number of processor. 2 is good enough for Linux to run, and we already selected the operating system image file, and adapter is also selected, and USB if you want to select, you can. Printers, if you have any displays already, post settings for monitors, the one which I have already set it up for the monitor screen. Okay, now just press finish. Okay, there we go. Okay, if you have, it's just an update if you want any update. Okay, you can press on the install CentOS by up and down arrows and press enter. There we go. If you want the mouse one, we need to press Control Alt, so you can't see the mouse. So if you want to get it back, just press Control Alt, you will get your mouse back. Just wait for a few seconds. It's running. I think we are almost there. Just wait for a while. Okay, once we get to this screen, select the language which you wanted and press continue. Okay, there we see. You see this mark, check mark over here, notification. Please complete items marked with the icon before continuing to the next step. So once you completed with that things, your begin installation will be highlighted and you can go to the next step. Okay, we already selected the language. Now it's checking for the software which we have. It's just checking up the path for it. So here's Ethernet. You just need to press on. So we already got the connection. So we already set up the Ethernet network connection as well. Okay, here is the installation destination. So here's the main task about the Linux is like we have several partitions on this. So for now, automatic configuration for the basic one, you can go with the automatically configure partitions, then press done. So once you are done everything, so that checkmark notification is gone, right? So we are ready to begin the installation. Let's begin. So in the meanwhile, we need to create the password to the root as well as the user creations. So let's go for the root password. So root password is the main password with which you can log into root. Okay, so let's create one root password. Okay, we are done with the root password creation, and you can create a user if you want any. So first, okay, user admin. Okay, let's create admin. Okay, you can give administrator settings to him if you want. So it's up to you guys. It depends on it. So here we are again, right? Just wait for a couple of minutes so that the installation process will be done. Few more seconds, I guess so. Just wait for a few more seconds. It takes like 10 to 15 minutes. So I paused it. So there we go, friends. Yeah, installation process is almost done. So if you see the status complete over here, just reboot it and start using your virtual machine operating system. So I'm gonna adjust this to the screen size so that we can view full screen. Okay, now after installation we're gonna try whether our operating system is working properly and communicating with our host operating system. So let's begin. So for here you need to log in, right? So first we're gonna log into our root. So press root and press enter and give the password which you have assigned for the root, and there we go. We successfully installed our operating system on our player. So now we need to check the connectivity, right? To check the connectivity, there we go. We have a few options over here. So here, if you right click on it, oh, it's already connected. Let's make sure whether it's properly connected. Okay, here's an ad. Okay, used to share the host IP addresses. Perfect. Okay, so just press clear. So to check the IP address on the Linux, point to be noted IP space address address. There we go. We already got the network address, right? So we are successfully connected. So let's ping our main operating system Windows from here. Okay. to ping it, we need to check the IP address of our main operating system as well, right? So go to the command prompt. Okay, open. Okay, I'm gonna make it small so that I can show you whether it's we are pinging. So to get the IP address of our main, you need to press ipconfig space slash. There we go. Here is the net. So we got it right. So where is our IPv4 Ethernet for there. Here is the address for that. So 192.168.126.1. So we're gonna ping that one and check the connectivity. Okay, there. Ping 192.168. What was that? 126.1. Just 126. There we go. We successfully pinged. It pings unlimited times. So if you want to interrupt that, press Ctrl Z. There we go. Here is the simple installation process of the and creation of the word operating system Linux on our player. Thanks for watching. If you like it, press like, and if you want to share it to anyone who want to learn about the virtual machines, they can use it. Thank you. Bye.